again. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow a dragon fruit plant if you plant it beside your house or at your front yard. As far as I know that there are three kinds of dragon fruit. The one with the white flesh with white skin, or we call it Hyloceros undantos. The other one also which has the yellow skin with white flesh, or we call it as Hyloceros nigalanthus. And the other, the red one with the red skin and the red flesh, or we call it as Hyloceros costarricensis, or the Costa Rica night blooming cactus. The species is grown commercially for its pitahaya fruit, but it is also an impressive ornamental vine with huge flowers. This is the appearance of a dragon fruit plant. You must have the post to let it stand and tie the stem to the post. This plant does not need more water and can even stand in the heat of the sun because it can store its own water. The most common here in our place is the red flesh with the red skin, or we call it as Costa Rica night blooming cactus. It is attractive when the huge flowers bloom, but the flowers will only last for one evening. If you wanted to see the spectacular display, just head out a flashlight in the dark of the night, or you can visit your garden very early in the morning. For me, I have captured one at around 9 o'clock in the evening, and this is how it looks.